Oh, here, RCM says there's a list of all your recommendations available somewhere. I'm not sure if that was probably asked before. I said it before. If you go to my site, rogerlinndesign.com, and the first thing you do is buy a LinnStrument. Just kidding. No, you click on the LinnStrument menu and select Support, and from the Support page, there's a bunch of great buttons on there, including one that is MPE/expressive sound generators, and it lists all the MPE controllers that I'm aware of, and also some expressive ones like the sample modeling stuff. There are also a number of pages from there. There's the Getting Started page, which tells you how to immediately get started. There's just 4 steps. You take it out of the box, plug it into a synth, and play it, and that's basically it. The panel settings document tells you where all the settings are and what they do, and they're all accessed from the front panel. There's the Hooking It Up page, tells you the various ways you can hook it up. Another important one is chord and scale shapes. There's a page there that tells you where chords are on a stringed instrument and therefore where they are on LinnStrument, and scales are. There's an FAQ page. We have a very, very lively forum. You can participate even if you don't own an instrument and a LinnStrument, and you can learn about it and talk to the people. There's a videos page. We have something like 50 or 60 videos. There's a page on creating sounds that gives you tips on how best to create sounds for three-dimensional expressive synthesis. There's a page that talks about what MPE is and how to update your OS in your LinnStrument. And also, the source code for LinnStrument is 100% open source. So there's a button there to go to the source code page to download the source code. And the source code, if there's any programmers out there in the audience, is written to be compatible with the Arduino system, specifically using the Arduino Due variant, which is a fast ARM processor. And so you can download the source code, make any modifications you want right in the Arduino editor, and then press the button to upload it, put it into your LinnStrument, and try out your new feature. So it's a very open system, and we feel that's very important because unlike acoustic instruments, you can't just take it in and modify it at a luthier because the software is locked inside. And so open source is our way of making a modifiable instrument. There's also a button on that page to a site called Cultured Ear, and this is a LinnStrumentalist who has created a blog with topics about LinnStrument, how to learn how to play it, where the notes are, and various other topics. So there's a wealth of information there that I think you'd appreciate it if you gave it a visit. I'm going to talk about some of the other features of LinnStrument. Let's see. And yeah. Hi, this is very good. RCM says I would love to spend that $30. Good idea. Other features of LinnStrument. And by the way, if you go to my website and you just click on the picture of LinnStrument, it'll take you to the LinnStrument page, and it gives a lot of great information about that. So I'm going to talk about some of those features.